For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Tuesday, September 15th, my name is Ian Kelly. These are some of the stories we're working on at this hour. There were 12 more positive tests for COVID-19 reported in Vermont on Monday for a current Vermont statewide total of 1,696 and 58 deaths. Windham County remains at 123 positive tests and 3 deaths. New Hampshire's Health and Human Service Department says there were 18 new positive test results for COVID-19 reported on Monday for a current New Hampshire statewide total of 7,714 with 436 deaths. Cheshire County remains at 141 positive tests and 3 deaths. The death toll from confirmed coronavirus cases in Massachusetts rose by 9 on Monday to a Massachusetts statewide total of 9,010. The State Department of Public Health said the number of confirmed cases climbed by 235, bringing the Massachusetts statewide total to 123,139. Franklin County, Mass. Remains at 396 positive tests and 67 deaths. Ian Goodnow, Elizabeth McLaughlin, and Daniel Quip were all sworn into new select board terms in Brattleboro last night. Tim Wessel was re-elected board chair, Elizabeth McLaughlin was re-elected vice chair, and Ian Goodnow was chosen as board clerk. McLaughlin says it's been a long time since the March election day, and all board members have seen their previous terms extended because of COVID-19. The board will hold a regular meeting tonight at 6:15. U.S. Senator Jeanne Shaheen wants the Federal Emergency Management Agency to continue federal reimbursements for certain purchases of personal protective equipment, and that's personal protective equipment testing and disinfectant supplies by states. Shaheen and a group of senators call on the agency to increase, not decrease, support to states amid the COVID-19 pandemic as numbers rise to nearly 6.5 million cases and at least 190,000 deaths in the United States. Vermont Secretary of State Jim Kondo says active, registered Vermont voters will be automatically receiving a ballot for the November 3rd general election in the mail, sent to the mailing address on file with their voter registration or pending ballot request. Ballots will be mailed to voters starting on Monday, September 21st. Voters should expect to receive their ballots sometime after the 21st through early October. WTSA Sports, 2 games for Monday Night Football in the NFL's opening week of the season. Last night, the 2 games. Game 1 saw Ben Roethlisberger throw for 3 touchdown passes and leading the Steelers to a 26-10, or I should say 26-16 win over the New York Giants. And the second game saw former Patriot Stephen Gostkowski kick the game-winning field goal as the Titans edged the Broncos 16-14. Gostkowski had missed his previous 4 kicks last night prior to making the game winner. Both the Sox and the Yankees had the day off on Monday. The Sox are in Miami tonight, first pitch against the Marlins, 6:40. The Yankees host Toronto, first pitch against the Jays at 7:05. Game 1 of the NBA Eastern Conference Finals happens tonight. The Boston Celtics and the Miami Heat tip off at 6:40. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Tuesday, September 15th, my name is Ian Kelly.